Hi, my name is Jerry Gerritsen, Tabea Law. The question today is, how long does it take to get my green card? First of all, the green card is your identification, or it's your proof that you have legal permanent residence. You're an LPDR in this country, United States of America. And this, of course, the green card is highly coveted. That means for many freedom. It means you can be here as an immigrant permanently in this country, and this is of course one step below citizenship, but it is a big step towards becoming an American. And of course, you have a right to be here once you get your LPR, your legal permanent residence, or your green card. So how long does it take? It depends, of course, and you probably expected me to say that as an attorney, but it does depend on the situation. If everything was perfect, if there was a very smooth scenario, of course, we'd be looking at family-based, and there's a bunch of different ways to get your green card, but the most popular way is the family-based sponsor, where you have immediate family, whether it's your parent or your children or a spouse. And if you're a spouse of a USC, a United States citizen, then that's generally the easiest, quickest path to get your green card. Right now, with COVID-19 still around, with the resurgence and all that, you're still probably looking 8-9 months at best, and that of course depends on the situation. You as a civilian can go out or as an immigrant, as a beneficiary, or the sponsor helping the beneficiary, you can go to USCIS and fill out the forms online. USCIS.com. Fill out the I-130 form and move forward. It's pretty self-explanatory. You don't even need an attorney for that. However, if things are a little bit complicated, if you want to make sure that you don't have any problems filling it out or getting the form in, or whatever the case is, then you may want to hire an attorney to help you walk you through, hold your hand, and take you through the process. Anyways, so that's it for today, and we'll talk to you. You guys have a great weekend, and we'll talk to you Monday. Thank you so much, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.